All right, so we can look at our AMC training program as well because, as you might have been wondering, there is an AMC 10 and an AMC 12, and both exams are quite different, but require the same fundamental skills, which is why we've split the program up into two different parts. So we have one part for sort of focusing on fundamental skills like algebra, geometry, analytic geometry, number theory, and combinatorics. This is 5 classes, and we have 5 units, and then we have 2 units, total of 6 classes that focus specifically on AMC 12 specific content. So if you're solely aiming for the AMC 12, regardless of grade, remember, like we've had some students who take the AMC 12 despite being quite young because likely the threshold for qualification on the AMC 12 is lower. And then we've had students who are maybe in grade 9 or 10 who would like the AME qualification and have skills that are more sort of specialized for the AMC 10, which is when we recommend taking the AMC 10s, and we've tailored our course to address both of those splits and needs for our students. All right, so typically we like to talk to parents before their students enroll in classes and introduce them to the idea of competition math, and get an idea of their students' goals, whether that be AME qualification, USIMO qualification, a strong international math Olympiad performance. All of those are reasonable goals which we can help fine-tune our curriculum towards. We're also interested in getting to know our student experience, so whether that be past classes, past books, past concerns with maybe past tutoring and past classes, as well as past school courses, which helps us tailor our custom curriculum, or at least recommend them for an appropriate program. In addition to that, we also offer homework. So it's important to understand our students' schedule, how busy they are, and get an idea of their goals as far as weekly homework problems and the amount that they think is reasonable to achieve. In addition to that, we also like to get to know the lesson frequency that's ideal. This can help us recommend a program, private versus group, and which coach is most available. And we'd also like to get to know which sort of school math course they're currently enrolled in. And this can also help us recommend a program or even tailor a custom curriculum towards their needs.